If you're experiencing login issues on Unstoppable Domains, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to the internet. A weak or unstable connection can prevent you from logging in. Try switching to a different network or resetting your router if necessary. Step 2. Clear browser cache and cookies. Sometimes stored data can cause login issues. Go to your browser settings and clear the cache and cookies. After doing this, restart your browser and try logging in again. Step 3. Verify your credentials. Double check that you are entering the correct username and password. If you have forgotten your password, use the Forgot Password option to reset it and create a new one. Step 4. Disable browser extensions. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SSROG to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Contact support. If you still cannot log in after trying the above steps, reach out to Unstoppable Domains customer support for assistance. Provide them with details about your issue for a quicker resolution. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your login issues effectively. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek further help from support.